Hello, Professor. This is Bliss again. Today I'm going to demonstrate my project tool for MST400, which is a secure backup solution for remote employees implemented entirely through the Azure portal across to Azure region using a secure and core service, a secure core service. So as you can see, I'm already in my Azure account. This is my Azure ODM account. To begin the project, I created them to resource group 1, and resource group 2. As you can see, resource group 1 in East US and resource group 2 in West US. And in my resource group, I have um, the public IP address or the address space, and I have the recovery service board, I have the virtual network region 1, I have the VPN gateway, and I also have the storage account. For resource group 2, I have on VNet for the VNet, I have on the VPN, the VM for YouTube. So after that, I created the virtual network, two virtual network, one for region 1 and one for region 2, that is east and west. So this is the configuration. This is the address space of my virtual network. It's the subnet, which is a gateway subnet, and this is the configuration for the subnet. So same for VNet 2. So this is it, and this is the subnet, and this is VNet 2 subnet. So I move forward in creating the virtual network gateway. This is the virtual network gateway. It's the configuration. I'm going to move down to the point set configuration. And this is my address pool, and also the public certificate which has been generated, and as well the name for the public certificate root. And as well, I downloaded the VPN client, which is used to connect my Azure account remotely to my region 2 VM. So I move forward increasing the storage account. So the storage account, I'll move forward to file share. This is my file share. Browse. I created two files in my remote VM, and this is the files. And also as well as backup the files should in case of deletion or loss of file. So this is a snapshot. I move to recovery service board. So this is this recovery service board. I have to move to the backup items. Let me show you the backup item. So it shows that my my storage account has been backed up. I can be recovered easily, and as well the backup policy. So this is the backup policy. As you can see, this is my backup policy daily, 11 p.m. the Eastern time, and also retention daily backup for 30 days, as well retention weekly backup points for 3 weeks, and as well as retention monthly backup points days based for the 10 months. And this is my VM. I continue my present VM. This is my VM for region 2. And this is a configuration already connected to my VM, so I'm going to turn it remotely for you to see. So I will show you the settings to show that my go to network, VPN, and as you can see, my VNet one is connected to my remote settings, and it's been connected publicly. As you can see, I'm going to go now to my storage file. Sorry, to my certificates, to the VPN certificate created. These are the VPN certificate, my client certificate, my role certificate, and my set pen. I'll move now to my storage account where I created two files as shown on the Azure portal. These are the two files created. So I'm going to delete the files now to make sure my backups or retention works perfectly. So I'm going to go back to my Azure account, storage account, file shares, file shares. I'm going to move to browse. You see the files which I showed you in my Azure account are gone because I deleted it in my VPN. So I'm going to go back to my backup now and back to the files using the file properly. This is snapshot. So I'm going to select it, restore point. I select the backup ID, add the files, and restore. So I'm going to wait for it to trigger after it finish, and the files will be restored back to. As you can see, the files have been restored back to my remote VPN. So thank you for the time, and this is the end of my project.